the complete guide to RV solar power, for beginners and beyond. Welcome, intrepid travelers and sun chasers. You're about to embark on a journey toward energy independence, sustainability, and the sheer joy of harnessing the power of the sun for your RV adventures. Whether you're a seasoned road warrior, a weekend boondocker, or a family on a quest for the ultimate national park tour, this guide is your solar-powered compass to a brighter, greener future on the open road. Solar power, the what, why, and how. What is RV solar power? In the simplest terms, RV solar power involves capturing the sun's energy using solar panels mounted on your RV, converting the energy into usable electricity, and storing it in your RV's batteries. This process provides you with a renewable power source to run your appliances, lights, and gadgets, reducing your reliance on hookups and generators. Why go solar? 1. Eco-friendly. Reduce your carbon footprint by using clean, renewable energy. 2. Cost-effective. After the initial setup, the sun's energy is free to harness, saving you money on campground fees and generator fuel. 3. Freedom. Extend your off-grid capabilities, allowing you to explore more remote locations without worrying about power. 4. Quiet and low maintenance. Say goodbye to the noise and upkeep of traditional generators. How does it work? 1. Solar panels capture sunlight and convert it into DC, direct current, electricity. 2. Charge controller regulates the charge to the batteries, preventing overcharging. 3. Batteries store the electricity for use when the sun isn't shining. 4. Inverter converts DC electricity from the batteries into AC, alternating current, power to run standard appliances. Getting started, solar power system components. 1. Solar panels. Think of these as your personal power plants. Panels come in various types and efficiencies. Monocrystalline panels are top-rated for their efficiency and longevity. The number of panels you need depends on your energy consumption and the amount of available space on your RV's roof. 2. Charge controller. This is the brain of your solar power system, ensuring your batteries are charged correctly and safely. A MPPT, maximum power point tracking, charge controller is highly recommended for its efficiency in converting solar energy. 3. Batteries, your energy reservoirs. The choice between lead-acid and lithium batteries depends on your budget, energy needs, and weight considerations. Lithium batteries, though pricier, offer longer lifespans, better performance, and are lighter in weight. 4. Inverter, the bridge between your stored energy and the appliances you love. A pure sine wave inverter is recommended for its ability to safely power sensitive electronics like laptops and TVs. 5. Monitoring system. Keep tabs on your energy production and consumption with a reliable monitoring system. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to managing your off-grid energy resources. Planning your solar setup. 1. Assess your energy needs. Start by understanding how much power you use. Keep a log of your daily energy consumption to help determine the size of the solar system you'll need. 2. Choose your components. Select solar panels, a charge controller, batteries, and an inverter that match your energy needs and budget. Remember, it's better to have a system that's slightly overpowered than to always be rationing power. 3. Installation. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or prefer professional help, ensure your system is installed safely and efficiently. Proper mounting, wiring, and ventilation are crucial for performance and safety. 4. Maintenance. Regularly check your system components for cleanliness and proper functioning. Solar panels, in particular, should be kept clean and free of obstructions to maximize energy capture. Maximizing your solar investment. 1. Efficiency is key. Upgrade to LED lighting, invest in energy-efficient appliances, and practice energy conservation to make the most of your solar system. 2. Sun tracking. Park your RV in a way that maximizes sunlight exposure on your panels. Sometimes, a slight adjustment can significantly impact energy production. 3. Expandability. Consider a solar setup that allows for easy expansion. As your energy needs grow or technology advances, you'll appreciate the ability to add more panels or upgrade components. Troubleshooting common solar power issues. Insufficient power. This could be due to underestimating energy needs, poor weather, or shading on your panels. Regularly monitoring your system can help identify and rectify these issues. Battery problems. Ensure your batteries are properly charged and maintained. Over or undercharging can lead to reduced lifespan and performance. Inverter issues. If appliances aren't working correctly, check your inverter connections and settings. An improperly sized inverter can also cause problems. The road ahead, embracing solar power as you venture into the world of RV solar power. Remember that every journey begins with a single step. or in this case, a single ray of sunlight. The transition to solar is not just an upgrade to your RV, it's a commitment to a sustainable lifestyle that brings you closer to nature and the countless adventures that await. With this guide in hand, you're equipped to navigate the exciting path of solar-powered RVing. From the majestic peaks of the Rockies to the serene beaches of the Gulf Coast, your solar-powered RV is your ticket to an endless summer, where the sun not only lights up the sky but powers your adventures, one sunny day at a time. So here's to quiet mornings with coffee brewed by the sunrise, to starlit nights powered by the day's rays, and to a future where every mile is a testament to the power of harnessing the sun. Welcome to the bright side of RVing, solar style.